All right, we had one more question back here.
I have a question too, ma'am. I want to ask one too.
It's not really a question.
Then it's not a question.
No, go ahead. Say it. Say it.
I lived on Treasure
This
Island.
is public
Just a
comment.
minute. No, it's
I lived on
not.
Treasure
This is
Island.
not public comment. This is questions
Treasure-
about the presentation. But
Pose-
we will have
Okay.
public comment in just a little while. So no
Pose
worries.
it as a
No
question.
worries.
Make
Do you have
it
a
a
question
question.
about the presentation?
Turn it into a
Because that's
question.
what we're
you
trying
do.
to do today, right at this moment
Yes.
in time. But
have a
if you can just hold on to
Turn
it
it
till we
into
get
a
to public
question.
comment, promise you'll get a chance to do that. You'll get a chance to say whatever you'd like.
Think of
All
a
right?
question.
But we do want to make sure that we're focused on the questions about the presentation on the radiological report.
Okay,
Did you have
I
a
do
question
have a
about that?
question.
Okay.
On Flounder,
Talk into the mic,
Thank you
please.
so much.
Thanks, honey.
on Flounder, I think it's 1413 Flounder Avenue, the buildings that were built that they stopped building on those buildings, they just left them. Did you test that area over there?
I think we're uncertain at the moment. You were asking me, or asking us what if we tested the buildings near 1413 Flounder. At the moment, I'm not sure exactly where that is. Do you know, could you tell me?
It's right next to Halliburton Bigelow Court, right next to Bigelow Court.
Oh, I see, Flounder Court right there. Those are part of Site 12, and those were part of the surveys that were performed by the Navy, and CDPH also did their own independent scans and surveys of them.
Excuse me, ma'am, just, we're finished answering that question, please.
So this is part of Site 12, so that would have been that part of that area that Kimberly discussed early in the presentation as far as Site 12 receiving the scans throughout.
All right.
Does that answer your question?
Sort of.
Okay.